Welcome to Mohan classes. In this video, we are going to talk about trigonometric applications. So this is for 10th standard part 1 video. Let us start. Already we have studied trigonometric, all those things. This is just a refresh of your trigonometric ratios for these applications. Trigonometric applications, if you want to do the sums, all those things is very important. You should know. Then only you can easily do the trigonometric applications problems. So here sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A, cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A, tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. Here all those things will be coming in the first quadrant, all ratios will be positive. Here sin 90 minus A will become cos 90 minus A will become sin, tan 90 minus A will become cot. The sign only get changed. Sin will become cos will become sin, tan will become cot. Similarly, cot will become tan, secant will become cosecant, cosecant will become secant. Also, you should know the identities of this trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So similarly, secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1 and cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. From these three, you can derive other two formulas. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Right? Cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Here in this diagram, you can see the hypotenuse, adjacent side and opposite side of angle A. So here the one angle will be 90 degree, like a Pythagoras theorem. Here hypotenuse means the distance. Here in this application, we have to see the distance from the observer to the point where he is looking. That is the hypotenuse here. Height of the tower or height of the place where he wants to see is the opposite side. Then the distance in the horizontal from the tower or from the point is called here adjacent side. Like that we have to take over here. So here the person may see from here to the top or from the top to bottom he can see. So this length, the hypotenuse will be the distance between the observer to the point or from the point to the observer. Whatever you want, you can consider it. This is the height of the person seeing down, or from here he is looking the object at the height. This is the distance from the object on the ground level. Okay. Also, these values of sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Already I have taught you how to remember this value, right? What I told previously, I told you have to start with 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, 1. If you take square of this above, square root of 0 is equal to 0, square root of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, square root of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2, square root of 3 by 4 is equal to root 3 by 2, square root of 1 is equal to 1. You have to reversely write for cos 0 or cos 30. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Then tan theta, what? 0 divided by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 will get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 to 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 will get root 3. This is undefined. 1 by 0. Any number divided by 0 is infinity. That is undefined. So, whatever the sum you are doing in trigonometry or trigonometry applications, this table you have to write it on your right hand side of the answer sheet. So, you will not do any mistakes of writing the value of the sin 30 or cos 45, tan 45, secant 45, whatever it may be. If you are remembering this 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, you can write all this table within a second. Then what is sine of A? Sine of A is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Cosine of A is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is tan? Sine by cos. That is side opposite to angle A divided by side adjacent to angle A. Okay. Now let us move to the elevation and depression. What is called elevation? What is called a depression? Here the line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. The observer may be at A or at O. This OA is called the line of the observer to the object. Here OA we can call it as the first point, we can take it as a OA. Okay. Then what about this angle of elevation? Angle of elevation is here the observer looking at object at A. So the angle made by the horizontal level from the observer to that object, this is called angle of elevation. That is angle AOB. Angle AOB is the angle of elevation. What is depression? Depression is the person is at A and looking the object at O. So this is the horizontal angle made by the observer. This is angle of depression. That means OA we can take it as the angle OAC. Angle OAC is the angle of depression. It should be very, very important. This angle of depression will be the angle of elevation because CA parallel to OB, CA parallel to OB, right? This is also horizontal, this is also horizontal. Therefore, CA parallel to OB. So, this angle will be equal to this angle. If the angle of depression 30 degree means the angle of elevation from the object to the eye contact is the angle of elevation. It's clear? It's very, very important. If you are understanding this, you will not do any mistakes in the angle of depression and angle of elevation. Now, let us do some worked examples. Here, a tree breaks due to storm on the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. How we are going to do this? First, we have to draw the diagram. So let us draw the diagram properly to understand what is given and what they are asking. It is the height of the tree. It is the ground level. Okay. So here, let us take it is A, and here the tree got broken and touches the ground like this at B. Okay. So it will be the same height only, na? The same height should be there. So AB, let us take it as C. The tree is bending at D. Okay. This is the angle made by the tree to the ground is 30. Understand? Now we have to find out the height of the tree. The height of the tree is AD. It is D. AD plus TB. This is the height of the tree we have to find out. So here it has been given, it is 8 meters. Okay. Now let us find first what is AD. What is AD by AB? AD by AB. AD is the opposite side by adjacent side is equal to what? Tan theta, right? Here the angle means 30 degree, tan 30. So AD we don't know. What is AB? 8. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore AD is equal to 8 by root 3. So part of the tree height we have found here. Now we have to find out what is TB or BD. So for that, how we have to do? So AB divided by DB. What you will get? AB divided by DB. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What you will get? Cos 30, right? It is cos 30. The AB, you know, it is 8. DB, we don't know. So that is equal to what is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Therefore, it is DB, right? So DB is equal to what? 16 by root 3, correct? Now, what is the height of the tree? AD plus DB, right? So, height of the tree we can find it as AD plus DB is equal to AC, correct? Understand? Therefore, AC we can write it as AD. What is AD? AD is 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. So that is equal to 8 plus 16, 24. 24 by root 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. That is equal to what? We will get 24 root 3 divided by 3. That is equal to 8 3s are 24, right? So 8 root 3 meter. That's it. So this is the height of the tree. Understand? First what we did? First we have find this AD, after that DB. Then AD plus DB is height of the tree. Yes, correct? Let us move to the next. Here, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degrees. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. What they are telling, there is no any bend of the string tying it's the hypotenuse. They have given the hypotenuse. Now we have to draw the diagram properly. So now we have to draw a right angle triangle. Okay. Now this is height of the kite, 60 meter. Let us take it as A, B, C. Here the kite is a kite is flying at the height of 60 meter. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied with the ground at the 60 degree. So here it is 60 degree. Okay, this is the length of the string. Here we have to find the length of the string. Here we are given height and angle. We have to find the length. So what is the ratio we have to do? Sine ratio, right? Opposite. But that is AC divided by BC, hypotenuse, is equal to what? Sine 60, right? Correct. So AC, what is AC? 60 meter it was given. We don't know what is BC. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Now we have to find out what is BC, right? So 2 into 60 divided by root 3. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. That is equal to 2 into 60 into root 3 by root 3, right? Root 3 into root 3 will get 3. So that means 20. So 2 20s are 40. So 40 root 3 meter is the length of the string has been tied from the ground to the kite. Clear? It's very simple. Only thing you have to understand, the question is looking very lengthy, but if you are understanding it, it is very easy. Only one ratio. With one ratio, we have here it is sin 60, right? Not looking proper. Okay. Very easily we can do the sums. Let us move to the next. Let us draw the diagram first. Okay. Adjust it. This is the diagram. Okay. So here A, B is the height of the building and B to C is the height of the tower. First from this is the B is the bottom of the tower, C is the top of the tower. Okay. From bottom it is making 45 degree and from here it is making 60 degree. Let us take it as B. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out what is BC. It has given us 20 meter. This is the angle they have given. Now, how we will do? So opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. AB by AD. What is AB by AD? That is equal to tan 45, right? The AB we have known as 20 meter and AD we don't know. Is equal to 1. Therefore, AD is equal to 20 meter. Now, in triangle ACD, it is 60 degree. Okay. You know AD. Now, it is easy to find out AC. Now, AC by AD. What is AC by AD? AC by AD. AC by AD. So, that is equal to this angle is 60, right? That is equal to tan 60. Okay. So, you know what is AD? AD already we have found it as 20 meter, right? So, AC by 20, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, AC is equal to 20 root 3. Okay. So, what is AC? AC is equal to 20 root 3. But we want only BC, right? So, what is BC? BC is equal to AC minus AB, right? AC minus AB will get BC. So, what is AC? AC is 20 root 3 minus 20, right? So, that is equal to, we can take 20 outside, root 3 minus 1. This is the height of the tower. 20 root 3 minus 1 is the height of the tower. Understand? Now, let us move to the next. Here, a 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The average elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Let us draw the diagram first. So, how we have to do the diagram? So, here is the ground level. The girl is standing. This is the height of the girl. Okay. Now, first here it is the balloon. After that, it is moving somewhere else here. First, she is looking the first balloon, right? First Not coming here. And after that, she is looking at the second place, and it is making a. Now the girl is standing like here. Okay. Now this is the angle of 60 degree and this is the angle of 30 degree. Correct? So see, it is the first position of the balloon. It is the second position of the balloon. Okay. Now we will make it as E. This we can make it as F. And this is, sorry, EG. This we can make it as F. And this will make it as H. EF, GH. So now in triangle C, this is B, right? Now the height has been given as 88.2 meter from the height of the balloon from the ground level. Then the height of the girl is 1.2 meter. Okay. Now in triangle CBG, we are going to write BG divided by CG. BG divided by CG is equal to what? Tan 30, right? Opposite by adjacent. So what is BG? BG can be written as BH minus GH, that is 87, right? BG is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2. So let me write BH minus GH divided by CG. What is tan 60? I mean tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So that is BH minus GH is equal to 87 by CG is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore CG is equal to what? 87 root 3. It's clear? And then in triangle CAE, 60 degree, what is AE by CE? We have to write what is AE by CE. AE by CE is equal to tan 60, right? So that is equal to AF minus EF divided by CE is equal to root 3. AF minus EF, that is equal to 87. 87 by CE equal to what you will get? (87 by root 3) will come, right? Is 87 by, sorry, it is root 3 only. CE is equal to 87 by root 3. Now 87 by 3 CG. CG, what we have to find out? We have to find out only EG, right? Distance of the balloon A and B. So that means we have to find out what is EG. EG is equal to, EG we have to find out right here. EG is equal to what? This is our question. So EG is equal to CG minus C, right? So CG is 87 root 3 minus 87 by root 3, correct? 87 root 3 minus 87 by root 3. What you will get? This 87 root 3, 87 by root 3. So 87 by root 3 we can make it as, 29 root 3. Clear? I made multiplied both sides by 3. So it will be easy for us to find 87 by root 3 minus 29 root 3. Understand how I made it? The 87 by root 3 I have written it as 29 by root 3. Root 3 I have multiplied up and down. So 87 divided by 3 you will get 29 root 3. So that is equal to what you will get? 58 root 3 meter. The distance of the balloon moved from its previous position to the new position is 58 root 3 meter. That's it for the day. If you like this video, kindly share it. And if you have any doubts, you can make your comment in the comment box. Thank you.